Good morning everybody and welcome to a very busy fourth cave. So you join me from the car park in Wetton, where today we're doing the 4-mile fourth cave walk and by the amount of cars in the car park, and it's a really nice day today. I've got a feeling it's going to be quite busy. So Wetton car park itself is quite small, it does fill up very quickly. Across the road there is additional parking, it costs £5 for the day. There's also a little cafe been set up there, so I'll leave all the locations in the description. So there are a number of different routes you can take to Fourth Cave. I've never actually done this particular route before. So what I'll do, I'll leave the website address that I found this route off, and it's also got a number of different routes in the descriptions. All the routes are different lengths, different abilities. So yeah, so do it on the best suits yourself. So I've decided to do the walk slightly differently. I'm doing it backwards because I wanted to do Fourth Cave first. Because of the amount of people in the car park, I figured it'll get really busy there. So you'll see the Four Caves footage later on in the video.
It's just there.
Yeah, I was expecting it, but on a nice sunny day like this in the summer holidays, the route is very busy with dog walkers, bikers, and other walkers. It's a very nice route there. So one thing I never realised, if you do choose to do this route I'm doing, part of it is on a road. It's a quiet road, leads down to some parking for another parking area for Four Cave, so just something to take into mind. This is a cafe I found about halfway around the walk. It is the start of one of the Four Cave walks, so it was really quite incredibly busy there, so I just kind of passed through. So as this spot is so nice, I thought I'd treat myself biscuits and a drink. Oh, absolutely lovely day. Can you imagine living there That would be amazing. This view is outside your window. I think I definitely chose to do this path the wrong way around. It's all uphill this way. Go on, Excavations have found human and animal remains, stone tools and pottery within the cave. The caves are estimated to have contained the burial sites of at least 7 people. From this suggests the cavern was occupied from the end of the Paleolithic period, with more intense use during the Iron Age and the Roman period. Because it's so well used in here, the rocks are so slippery. Adventurous, you can go out the fourth cave the back way, but you do need to use like ropes that are already there to help yourself down. It does get quite steep. So that's got one of the most busiest I've ever seen is Thor cave. So if you want a quiet day out looking around a cave, perhaps this one's not for you. I know it's a very busy route, but why do people have to litter? It really bugs me. Just take your litter home with you, it's not difficult to do. So I'm now just walking back into Wetton Mill, the village where we started. Lovely little pub in the village, and the food in there smells absolutely amazing. So that was the Falls Cave walk. Yeah, really nice walk. It was as busy as I expected it to be, because Falls Cave can be quite busy. Yeah, thank you very much for watching, everybody. If you can like, subscribe, comment if you want to, and I'll see you all in the next one.